Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new project called Drivez. And as you can maybe imagine, it is a drive to earn project, okay? You can get it on the App Store or on Google Play. Let me show you. App Store, Google Play, already more than 10K downloads, yeah? And they also have a pretty big community on Telegram. As you can see, more than 85,000 subscribers, okay? Let me give you a short introduction because they made a really good video. Let me show you guys.
Let's think about this. Every day, billions of vehicles are running around all over the world. Moving is needed to help the world growth. We need to go to work, go to school, or traveling and enjoy our life. But along with that, it is also causing a lot of air pollution and ruins the world. Like it or not, people still have to go out every day, making the greenhouse gas emissions worse. Let's imagine, what if there is a solution that could turn your everyday boring commuting to become profitable passive earning and even support the world to defend against greenhouse effects? Introducing Drivez, a Web 3.0 lifestyle application mixed up with GameFi and CommunityFi, turning your everyday boring commuting. Become passive earning in the easiest way. Just go to work or school like every day and get earning, and you're moving worth it. A part of the profit will be used to reduce air pollution and planting new trees all over the world. Join Drivez today. Join hands to save the world, and your commuting makes earning. Download now on App Store and Google Play.
So guys, you see, really interesting project. And yeah, you can see there will only be 50,000 NFTs, okay? So a limited amount. And you can see you can buy an NFT or you can rent an NFT, and then the next step is drive to earn, yeah, in both cases, okay? You can also see the team. So they are not some people hiding somewhere, because you can really see who is behind this project here, okay? You can see the people here, and if you go down, you can see background partners, yeah. And let me show you the white paper, okay? Drivez is a Web 3.0 lifestyle application and the first NFT DAO mixed up with GameFi and CommunityFi, okay? Getting started, if you're interested, guys, download the Drivez app, sign up Drivez account, purchase a car box or buy a vehicle. That's it, guys, okay? And then you can earn. Yeah, that's pretty interesting, guys. And there will also be a marketplace. The marketplace that built in app will allow users to have seamless experiences. In here, users can buy and sell their vehicles, mystery car box, parts, as well as booster or mirrors in multiple ways of setting the prices, okay? I also want to show you mirroring. This means, let me show you. Mirroring is a special way to mint new vehicles. It reduces the barrier of minting new vehicles and reduces the inflation of NFTs at the same time, yeah? Every day, there are 8 mirroring seasons, 3 hours each. Users need to take part in the mirroring seasons before it starts. The user's vehicles will be locked during the mirroring season, okay? If a user successfully mirrored a new car, it will take up to 7 days to get the new car home. So guys, that's the project. As always, guys, no financial advice. Before you invest in any project, always do your own research. You will find the links in the description. And yes, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.